welcome back to this property. In this video, we try to explain all the details about this hotel, like location, landmark reviews, amenities of the hotel, and category and facilities also. Property location, attractions, and landmark also. You will find lots of reviews and reviews online that are given by guests to enjoy their stay. Review rating is 7.8, which is the good. A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of your basic questions about this property. Category 10. Next, we talk about amenities of this property. So you can see on the screen, the guest will be required to present photo ID at check-in. The property accepts major credit cards and reserves the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival. These offers are available online. You can book them online and enjoy your stay. Numbers are available on this property along with details, plans and payment policies. If you are planning to book it, you can do so through the link provided in the description. If you have already share this if you are new, subscribe our channel, subscribe our channel and press the bell icon so that you do not miss any video of our upcoming